Ryan here, and we moved to Puerto Rico about 3 months ago, and we've since got involved with some new water sports. So one of them is going to be spearfishing. Now today will be our first time ever going out spearfishing. So we went and got a few things this morning. We got some fins, a lobster catcher, a spear gun, and we're going to see how this works. Plus gloves, a few other things. We already have some of the essentials, masks and snorkels, that kind of thing, because we also scuba dive, which will be another thing that we need to get into more seriously. We have all the equipment, but anyway. So we're going out for the first time spearfishing. We'll let you know how it goes and how the equipment. We're gonna try spearfishing. It's kind of here in Dorado, Vega Alta area. So we'll see what happens. Here's little T walking down. She's got her noodle. Hola. Buenas noches. Que disfrute, papá. Walking down to this unknown beach. Right, there's a pathway that goes in between houses. And it's rough today, but it looks good as far as we're spearfishing. It's rocky, so we'll see what happens. Hola, buenas tardes.
Hola, hola.
What's going on, guys? Here comes Tanya. She's all loaded down. She's ready to go. It's noodle time. whole bit. Huh?
Sand magnetizes to this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Can you get it off? Johnny likes to use a shark band.
Well, if you're carrying dead fish.
Yeah. It's nice. You don't really notice it on your leg, and if there is any sharks in the area, it'll help deter them.
Did you get my fish that I cooked?
Yeah. Yeah.
Our fish?
Yeah. Yeah, what'd you do?
I dragged it back in.
Oh, that's right.
On a knife.
That's right.
And I cooked it. And I cleaned it.
What a beautiful night. Sun's going down. Little breeze, about 85. First fish that we caught.
What's this yellow thing?
I'll get it out of there. Probably part of the spine.
Yeah, but I don't have. I need another. Give me your glove. Give me the other glove.
Tanya's, wait, hold it sideways.
Huh?
Hold it sideways.
This?
Yeah.
Here, pull that glove on. You got sand all over your crotch.
Tanya's cleaning up our first catch. We can survive on our own now.
What is it?
Get rid of it. Let it off. You don't need a tail anyway, do you? Or is there meat in there? Cut it out. Use the cut side. The actual sharp. No, the sharp side.
Is it the sharp side?
There.
Oh, I don't know what size.
What about the idiots out here? Don't even know what side of the knife to use.
Two sides.
Inside the fish.
I want to make sure it's
Take your hand and get it, all your crap out.
we're allowed to kill the fish.
I gotta get stand up. Yeah, we gotta do a little research and see what this fish is, but nothing like catching it and 5 minutes later having it on the pan. I know, that's awesome. I can't believe we got a fish the first time out.
We have to get a book.
Took it up, yeah. A lot of times guys will just put line on themselves and hook the fish around with one dangle. I know, I need to get a result. Yeah. Look at that house, that White House. That was ridiculous.
I didn't like carrying the fish back in the
I'm not sure what the name of this place is. Oh, it starts with a T? Figure out what the name is.
Is that for me?
I don't know. Yep, we're gonna need to. I gotta figure out how to set the band on that thing a little differently. You can see here. Tore my stomach up setting the band. Hold on. There's a coqui frog.
That fish was really good.
That was tasty, whatever it was. Go until it's really high pressure. Keep going.
Good enough.
And there she is. You can take a little shower.
Look, the
The
salt
beach
in
box.
the air.
Shoot, I didn't even bring a towel.
I did. I brought you one. And then all the sand off my feet. I mean, look at that. It's terrible.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
This thing's worth every penny.
Yeah, it's nice when you go to beaches like this that don't have showers. You can actually get somewhat showered off.
Well, just the hair and the skin. Okay, here's your shot.